Changing your payout method with Santander Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the Santander Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to change or add a new payout method. You may have options such as direct deposit check or electronic transfer. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout method details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your changes and wait for a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for any updates regarding your payout method change. Following these steps will help you manage your payouts efficiently.